This video demonstrates how to unpack the Xerox B310 printer. Using a utility knife, cut the tape on the left, top, and right sides of the box. Remove the install guide, product safety guide, and software CD and the power cord. Remove the 4 foam blocks from the sides of the printer. Lift the printer out of the box and remove it from the bag. Remove the tape from the top, front, and back of the printer. Open the front door of the printer. Using the green handle, pull the imaging unit out of the printer. Lift the blue lever and lift the toner cartridge out of the imaging unit. Remove the foam protector from the drum and cartridge. Remember, do not touch the drum. Insert the toner cartridge into the imaging unit and push down until the cartridge is seated. Shake the cartridge 3 times to redistribute the toner. Insert the imaging unit into the printer and close the door. Remove the paper tray. Squeeze the green tabs and slide the paper guides to accommodate the paper. Fan the paper and ensure the paper edges align. Place the paper against the front of the tray guide. Adjust the paper guides to the correct paper position. Insert the paper tray into the printer and close the tray. Remove the film covering the control panel. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer. Then plug the power cord into a properly grounded electrical outlet. The unpacking of the B310 printer is complete. The Xerox B310 Printer Power On and Wi-Fi setup video shows how to power on the B310 printer and set up Wi-Fi.